Hey everyone, up here, featuring today our brand new listing, 644 Dundonald Drive. Hi everyone, Raymond Chin with Co-Banker Global Luxury, featuring one of our black tie listings. Located in sought-after Half Moon Bay is this very unique 4-bedroom, 2-story home. Come inside and have a look. One of the most unique floor plans you've ever seen. Awesome family room with these super high vaulted ceilings. And this kitchen with these beveled granite countertops. And check out that fireplace. And come on, let's check out upstairs. Not 2, not 3, but 4 bedrooms, making 644 Dundonald Drive the ultimate family home. At the end of the video, let us know what's your favorite part of the home.